Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. This is your boy MOP. Excuse me. This is the 23rd of April. It's a Wednesday morning. It was like 7:36. I'm here drinking my Dashin coffee. They're staying right there because it tipped over a little bit. I just got off the bus. A couple people. It was mainly one person with a straggler. Why you on the bus? Why you always keep saying you on the bus? Because I was on the bus, okay? How about that? I was on the bus, okay? But ask me why I'm saying I just got off the bus. Because I just got off the bus. If I said I drove somewhere, I said I just drove to such and such, this and third. Right? Anyways. Because I'm comfortable saying that I took the bus. I'm in between cars right now. What do you want to say? I just drove to the bus stop and do what? What kind of mess is this? I drove to the bus stop. I'm talking to you from my location secretly somewhere at the bus stop on Old Tertiary Road. Come on now. I'm sorry, but that's... Whew. I could say some other stuff, but I'm going to keep it PG right now for YouTube standards. But if this is some other platform or just face-to-face, I will call you every name of the book that's not holy. Let's keep that real, okay? If you know how I am, you know how petty I can be. For real. Let's be real, alright? Just because you see me at work, I'm clocked in. Don't think I won't clock. I say, yo, I'm going to go on break real quick, Jerry. You feel me? I'm going to go on break. Give me 5 minutes. And I'm going to cut you smooth out. And then clock back in. I'm not taking the bus. Well, why do you look like a... Huh? How about that? Ask yourself why your boyfriend got that why, you know what I mean, that make it clap. I'm gonna sip this coffee so I can hear that answer. Your man over here clapping. And nobody song. We ain't no show to be clapping at. Let's talk about that. Okay. Nah. You caught me in a good morning. For me, let's keep going. How about you got 5 kids and none of the fathers are the same person? Let's talk about that. 5 for 5. What's up, Theo? What's up, Dave? You baby dad, so 5 for 5 with the kids. Yeah, starting 5. This is 96 Bulls. What's up? I'm gonna turn the burner off because I'm about to start really cooking, and I need to go to the job. Lucky. Why you look like you got IMAX forehead, and you look like you on coke at the same time. You're sleeping, you're tired and awake at the same time. This probably get demonetized. I'm gonna be real about that. I might get strike for this. How I'm feeling, because I keep going. I'm trying to PG this so I don't get hit. Anyways, you know what? I'm gonna go to the job because you over here thinking I'm playing. Don't see me. Come see me. I'm not gonna hit you. No, I don't put my hands on no females. I hit a bit. I throw rocks. I throw shit. How about that? I throw bricks. Allegedly. Anyways, I feel a little bit better. I'm gonna start walking to my job. Cause I don't have a car right now. Play me. I don't care. I know. Don't worry. You ain't talking. I know. I'm just keeping it real. Let's be real. The reason why I don't have a car right now is I couldn't get it. I didn't have money to get it fixed. That's the only reason. Because it was a hybrid. Let's be real. I'm going to be real with you. It's a hybrid. Well, I could get fixed on it. I did. But it wasn't 100. Well, I could get fixed. I did. Thank you, Sully. I appreciate you. Shout out to Sully. And my mom and everybody at the household over there. Because they're the ones that, as far as fixing it, her and her husband, thank you. I appreciate it. Shout out to y'all for being real about it. Thank you. Anyways, and after that, thank you for everybody helping me out when I couldn't catch the bus. Like my father, when the buses wasn't running on the weekends, when I had to go work overnight. Thank you, Dad. I appreciate you. Thank you, Stephanie and Scott. Thank you. Thank you to my mom for picking me up on Sunday morning, where the buses don't run regularly like it does on the weekdays. If it was on the weekdays, I'll be riding the bus. But like I said, I appreciate you for helping me out. And everybody that, I need money for Uber or Lyft, Cash Apping me for help. Cash Apping me so I can get that ride. Thank you. But you, ungrateful bitch, kiss Mike from the back. And when you're back there, make sure the ball don't hit the ground because it's cold. I feel pretty good now. This is pretty good. It was for $1.89. 4 clicks with a hole puncher, you get one for free. If you know what I mean, buy 4, get one free. And I'm about to get the next one on Friday when I go to work. Usually I go get it on the days I go to work in the morning. Up at the Friday's about to be free. I support the ones that support me when I can, like the Dasher. Where I go catch the bus. They know me by now. And that's half the reason why, because they called me. Oh, excuse me. But anyway, let me stop it, because I feel like I can keep going. I'm just trying to be hope. And this is 3 days before my birthday too. And they tell me Dom, MLP, Dom's my first name, everybody. My rest of the name is Bobby Ray's. I'm about to make a video about that later. But anyways, they said, Dom, you gotta. They didn't speak to MOP, they spoke to Dom. They said, Dom, you come to a time when you get to a certain age, you gotta start acting with some sense. And I am, but today's not one of those days. Anyways. I feel better. I need to start walking so I can get to work on time. I appreciate y'all for this little 10-minute rant, for sticking with your boy. Yeah. Thank you for sticking with me. Yeah. Before I get out, before I forget, like, share, subscribe. Holla at your boy. The MOP is on all platforms, so just put IG, Twitter. Well, it's about to be on Twitter, but IG mostly. If you put in my own perspective, 85. It's on that. Alright? And you get into a minute, 10 and a half minutes. I'm definitely get going. I feel a little bit better. I woosawed. Like, share, subscribe. Holla at your boy.